everyone. Today we will discuss about conversion of a regular expression to a DFA. A regular expression for a and bm such that n plus m is even. That means sum of number of a and number of b is even. Since regular expression should start with a and number of a and number of b should be even, a star, b star will be part of the language. Further, sum of n and m should be even. We can have a star, b star. Since odd plus odd is also even, so the final output will be a whole star, b whole star, or a whole star, b into b whole star. Now sum in both the cases will definitely be even. Now we will draw the DFA corresponding to this. Initially we draw the DFA for a star. Then we think about b star. Is this DFA correct? If we give a star from Q0 to Q1 and b star from Q0 to Q2. No, this is not correct. Why? Because in this case we can have a after b, which is wrong. So we will not draw this particular DFA corresponding to a star, b star. Instead, we will go for DFA of this type. In this case, we are covering a star, b star. A star, which we considered in the previous slide, and b star is covered from Q0 to Q2 and then to QF. Likewise, we will draw the DFA for a star, b star. And now we will merge these two. When we try to merge these two, a star into b star or a into a star, b into b star, we get a NFA. Now we will try to generate the DFA from this NFA. The first step for conversion of NFA to DFA is that draw the transition table corresponding to the NFA. So we have drawn the transition table on the right side. Identify the states having more than one states for sigma equal to AB. So we have one state, that is 1, 4, which is having more than one states. Now third step will be, we will add that particular state identified in step 2 in transition table and fill the entries corresponding to AB for 1, 4. When we try to fill in, we get for 1, 4 on A gives us 0, 5. 1, 4 on B gives us 6. Now we have one new state 0, 5. So we will add this new state also. 0, 5 on A gives us 1, 4. 0, 5 on B gives us 2. Now we don't have any new state. So the DFA is ready. We draw the DFA corresponding to this transition table. And once we have drawn the DFA for this, we have two new states incorporated into this DFA which was drawn. Now we check if there is any redundant state. If yes, then remove it. So we will remove these, and this is the final DFA which we get corresponding to the regular expression given in the first slide. And now we will draw this DFA in an ordered manner, and this is how we get the final output. In the final output, we have four final states 0, 3, 0, 5 and 6. Why we have these all states? Because there were 0 was final state in the first case, and 0, so 0, 5 will be included, and 3 and 6 were the final states, so they have been included as such. So this is the final output which we get. Next question says that we have to give the DFA for A and Bm such that n plus m is odd. In the previous question it was even. Now again the first condition is that regular expression should start with A. Second condition is that sum of n plus m should be odd. So in order to achieve the second condition, either number of A should be odd and number of B should be even, or vice versa, because sum of odd and even is odd. So the final output will be A into A star B star, or A star into B star. We will first draw the DFA for A star B star. So this is the DFA corresponding to it. Then we will draw the DFA for A star B star. Now we will join these two. When we will join these two, we will identify that this is a NFA because there is a one entry corresponding to state number 0 which has more than one moves. That means this is a NFA. So corresponding to 1, 2, we will try to draw the input. We get on A 0, 3, on B we get 4. 0, 3 is another new state, so we will add this state into the set of states. Corresponding to 0, 3 we have 1, 2, and on A and on B we have 7. So now we don't have any new state, so we draw the DFA corresponding to the table which has been generated. And next step will be that we need to check whether there is any redundant state. It is pretty well clear that this entire group 3, 2 is redundant. Likewise 1 is also redundant, so we will remove these states, and the final answer which we get, that is the final DFA which we get, is given here. Now in this case also we will have 3 final states and 1 start state, that is 0. Now we come to third question, in which we need to give the DFA for all strings having even number of zeros. That means 0, 0 star will be included, and there is no restriction on 1, so we will place 1 in the actual set 0, 0 at every point. So before and after 0, 0 whole star we will put 1 star, so the final expression will be 1 star 0, 1 star 0, 1 star. Now it is also possible that we don't have any 0, we have only 1s, so we will have 1 star also included in the final expression. So this is the final expression, and corresponding to the final expression, this is the DFA which is generated. 1 star 0, 1 star 0, and only 1 star. Now since we have even number of zeros, so there will be a loop of this and 1 star on both states, that is 0 and 1. So this is how we draw the DFA corresponding to the given input.